Oh, I think I might have made a video like this in the past, but I think it got deleted. So I'm just gonna make another wee one. In this video, I'm just gonna be covering something which a lot of people don't realize, and they keep on doing it in regards to trying to sell things to different people on Facebook. You don't really realize why it's kind of pointless and a bad idea. It's not going to get you good results. In a lot of cases, you're just wasting your time doing it. There's a lot of people when they start off SEO, they get say a couple of guest post sites or a couple of PBNs. They then spend all day spamming random people saying, "Will you buy my guest post all the time?" The way you should try and use Facebook or your sales method is this: you should make it so people want to actually go towards you. That doesn't always work out when you just started, but if you actually work hard and do a quality approach, you'll have people wanting to buy from you who actually will come towards you instead of you having to go to them. This is what you should try and aim to get. And when you actually have people who say for argument's sake, they want a backlink of say Apple.com. I know most people can't get this link, but I'm just using this for example purposes. Say they want a strong backlink of Apple.com, one of the best links in the world. If they say they want a link of Apple.com, you have some way to get it, then it makes sense for you to contact whoever is on, say, Facebook or wherever you're dealing and say, hey, I've got this good quality Apple link. Would you be interested in having it off me? And if they say yes, then you got a sale, that kind of stuff. But you shouldn't ever try and do the thing I've got always guest posts and just keep spamming around people. It doesn't do you any good. It just wastes your time, wastes every person's time. And in general, a lot of people will just be unhappy because they may not be rude, but if you made a comment saying I want say guest posts, I want PBNs, you want whatever type of service, then it makes sense for people to contact you, and to be blunt, you would be expecting in most cases, and you would be willing to hear what the people have to say. But if you just start spamming random people, you're just wasting your time. Your time, and to be blunt, there's not really any sense or need in it. Because I mean, in fairness, you're probably never going to get any sales from it unless you're going completely mad and emailing a few thousand people every day or even more. This is why you should aim to actually make sure before you actually contact such and such person, you actually have seen something to say. They want a backlink or they want your service. If they do, then go ahead, email them, and as long as you're good enough at whatever you're doing and you're still at a price that person forward, you should be able to get sales that way. You can also as well just talk a wee bit more into sales. Say you're in different Facebook groups, selling just say for argument's sake a guest posting service. Let's just say you're selling a guest posting service. Let's just say for argument's sake it's $50. You're selling a guest post off on Facebook for $50. You haven't ever sold any to anyone before, so you don't really have any reputation. The way to actually counter that sort of problem is you can approach different people and say, hey, would you be willing to take a backlink off me at a reduced price instead of my standard $50 and 25 in exchange you give me a reference. You will get some people who agree to that. You will also as well, if you're willing to go completely low or even free, you can basically get references that way of different people. If you say email 10 different people and say, would you be willing to give me a reference in exchange I get a free backlink, and you will quite easily get people to say yes. It basically makes it easier for you to do it. You may think it's really bad or stupid to do things that don't make any money, but when you're first starting off, you got no really reputation or nothing to say you're good or okay. You sometimes have to basically take a bullet in a sense, do things at a free rate or a reduced rate until you basically get popularity and reputation to say why this is good, why this is a value to our people to get. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my quick sales video. Thanks. Bye.